into the government life. So this is again a very good program, and this is one of its own kind in North America. All right. So when you talk about bachelors of commerce, तो bachelors of commerce के लिए again हमारे पास specializations हैं, which is accounting, not profit and social entrepreneurship, small business and entrepreneurship. तो ये सारी specializations हैं, which is which the student can choose according to their interest. तो जब हम accounting की बात करते हैं, bachelors of commerce accounting. So after completing this bachelors of commerce in accounting, the student will be directly eligible for the admission into the CPA prep, so that to become a professional accountant. तो जो course content है वो CPA का that will be same. तो directly student is eligible for CPA PEP. So कोई भी student CPA I hope पता होगा, it is related to the professional accountant. जैसे इंडिया में CA होते हैं वैसे वहाँ पर CPAs होते हैं. So any student who want to be a CPA into Canada, तो BCom accounting is a very good option for those students. And of course, at King's University, we give opportunity to the students for a cross-cultural learning. In fact, हमारे जो सारे programs हैं वहाँ पे, we give the opportunity of cross-cultural learning. जैसे कि जो हमारे business के students हैं, they go to abroad and have a semester over there. They study over there. Like अगर आप business students की बात करें, तो उनको हम opportunity देते हैं कि वो नीदरलैंड्स, लिथुआना, साउथ कोरिया, थाईलैंड, तो ऐसे की कंट्रीज में जाके they can have a semester over there. And जब next program we have is bachelors of music. So any student who is interested to make their career into the music field, so this is again a very good option for those students. And we have semester abroad into Los Angeles Film Study Center. तो यहाँ पे opportunity दी जाती है again students को to go abroad and have a semester over there. And of course it is basically for the international exposure. Next we have is bachelors of science. So bachelors of science, we have biology, chemistry, environmental studies, and computing science. So we have BA biology, which is for 3 years, and BSc biology, which is for 4 years. So BA biology does not require mathematics. The student can directly go into the BA biology, and after that, if they want, they could do bachelors of education, which is for 2 years, and it they can be a biology teacher. तो हमारे पास bachelors of education भी हैं, bachelors of education into elementary or secondary. तो इसके लिए the student needs to do the degree first into the King's University, and then they could do this bachelors of education. So जब आप bachelors of education की बात करते हैं, so government of Alberta requires 12 weeks of practice. And in order to be a teacher, so into Canada, तो अगर आप King's University की बात करते हैं, तो we provide 17 to 18 weeks of practice, which is much more than 12 weeks of practice. Or students, they can be easily become a teacher into Canada. So these were all about the programs at the King's University. We have discussed about bachelors of science, commerce, and bachelors of arts, and bachelors of music, and of course bachelors of education. So these were the list of programs which we are offering at the King's University.
Thank you very much for that, ma'am. So I would like to ask about the English requirement, the IELTS requirement, and do you accept any Pearson test of English, any other tests?
Yes, of course. जब आप English test requirement की बात करते हैं, we are accepting IELTS. So IELTS का score that is 6.5 overall, no less than 5.5 in one module. So 6.5 overall, no less than 5.5. And जब आप PTE की बात करें, we are accepting PTE as well, that is 59. And we are accepting TOEFL as well, that is 88, and minimum 21 in each section. And when you talk about Duolingo, we are also accepting Duolingo, that is 110. So these are the English test requirements which we are accepting.
And due to the COVID situation, do you have any accommodation available at the university?
Yes, of course. We otherwise also have this accommodation facility, which is very reasonable. Agar aap, we have tower residences and tower suites, and it depends upon the student whether they want to take the meal plan or not. So we are providing very reasonable accommodation. Agar student meal plan ke saath leena chahta hai, so when you talk about the rooms, they are very spacious. They have furniture over there, beds hai, and then Wi-Fi, laundry, parking, electricity. So everything will be included. Even phones, telephones would be given to the students. Those are very reasonable. With the meal plan, that would cost them 7,500 Canadian dollars for an academic year approximately. And if the student does not want the meal plan और वो अपना meal खुद cook करना चाहते हैं, तो वो भी facility tower suites में है, जहाँ पे kitchen होगी और उनको microwave, refrigerator और जो भी basic needs हैं वो सारी उनकी fulfill की जाएंगी, and that would cost them 4,000 Canadian dollars approximately for an academic year, which is again very reasonable.
And how long is the offer letter processing time in King's
Yes, of
University?
course. It is quite early. अगर आप offer letter की बात करें, students, if you apply through Northwest Immigration, so they are our registered partners. So we are releasing the offer letters within a week.
And obviously, you have explained about 3 years and 4 years degree. That is our next question. Do you have any other master's program? That was one of the questions which come up.
So for Jan intake right now at the King's University, we are just offering the bachelor degrees, and there is no like master option for international students for now. We are just offering the bachelor degree.
Do you have any presentation which you which would like to share with us?
Yes, sure. I could share my screen where I could show you the presentation.
Please go ahead with the presentation.
Yes, sure. So as you can see, this is the campus. This is the entrance of the King's University. So this is the entrance. And as I told you, the students, it was opened in 1979. The average classroom size is 22 students, and the faculty to student ratio is 1:11. So as I again told you that we have done $250,000 of investment into the nuclear magnetic resonance machine. So this is the machine which we have invested in, and this is used in many courses for related to chemical programs. And Alberta is a province that has been blessed with so much of chemical wealth. So we have done this investment ताकि जो हमारे students at the King's University हो, they should set apart from the students of other universities. So we again have this new academic enrichment center जो कि students को help करता है to imbibe the skills which are necessary. So we keep on conducting the seminars, workshops and stuff like that. So अगैन जब आप बात करते हैं, सो आपको किंग्स यूनिवर्सिटी क्यों चूज करना चाहिए, तो जब आप क्वालिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन की बात करते हैं किंग्स यूनिवर्सिटी की, सो इट इज नेशनली एंड इंटरनेशनली रिकॉग्नाइज्ड, एंड ऑफ कोर्स हमारे बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स रिसर्च कर चुके हैं. एंड जब मैंने आपको प्रोफेसर्स की बात करी, तो 90% ऑफ द प्रोफेसर्स at King's University are PhD. So you will be studying with the best professors across the globe. So you should choose King's University. And जब आप programs की बात करते हैं, as I told you, we have bachelors of arts in English, history, music, philosophy, politics, history, economics, psychology, social sciences, sociology, and theology. So when you talk about bachelors of commerce, we have general business, accounting, not-profit and social entrepreneurship, small business, and entrepreneurship. Then again we have bachelors of science, we have biology, chemistry, computing science, and environmental studies. We have bachelors of music, specialization in voice, piano, organ, violin, and many more. And then we have bachelors of education into elementary or secondary. So bachelors of education is a 2-year degree. So the students, you need to be very clear if you want to be a teacher into Canada. Otherwise it's very difficult to be a teacher into Canada. So if you want to be a teacher into Canada, you need to do your bachelor's degree with the King's first, and then afterwards you can do bachelor's of education. For example, if you choose biology, BA biology, which is of 3 years at the King's University, and you want to be a biology teacher into Canada, so you can do this bachelor's of education at the King's University, and you can be a certified teacher into Canada. So these are, and then we have this MICA Center. So this is the students at the King's University are also giving MICA certificate, where the students go into Mexico, and they participate in the 10 days quest, and they understand it is for the purpose of fostering greater understanding and action around the issues of global poverty, peacemaking, and social justice. So this is again would act as a cherry on the cake, and this would just give you international exposure. And these are the small things जो कि आप अपने resume में quote कर सकते हैं, और these are the small things which would basically make you different from the other students. So again आपके पास एक और experience होगा, that is a study abroad semester. तो हमारे सारे programs में we have the opportunity जहाँ पे हम abroad भेजते हैं students को. You can see in the picture, these are our business students, and they have they went to abroad, and for this their semester, and they are enjoying, and they are getting international exposure apart from Canada का, because Canada का तो आपको मिलेगा ही मिलेगा ना, आप किसी भी university से जाएंगे. But apart from Canada, we have a study abroad semester where the students are going. And of course, if any students, they are interested in this athletics, so they are very good at sports activities, so basketball, volleyball, badminton, soccer, so these are the kinds of activities going on. और जब आप टावर residence facility की बात करते हैं, so you can see in the picture, these are the kind of rooms you would be getting. So they are very spacious, very neat and clean, and all the furniture would be provided, like it will be in the twin sharing, so shared by two, so 2 wardrobes would be there, desk with the chair as you can see in the picture, so phone, and ensuite bathroom, electricity, Wi-Fi, water, heat, laundry. So all the basic amenities would be provided to you, and that would, with the meal plan, that would cost you 7,500 Canadian dollars approximately for an academic year, which is very reasonable. And then we have tower suites, again, where you don't want to cook, you don't want to take the meal plan, but you want to cook your own food. तो ये भी facility King's University में provided है हमारी residence. So you will be given the kitchen, microwave, refrigerator, cupboards would be there, and dining facilities. So all the furniture, as I told you, wardrobes, and modular kitchen with the chairs, small furnishing, filling cabinets, and 2 phones. So as you can see in the picture, so all the basic facility will be provided to you. And electricity, Wi-Fi, laundry, parking, all the things will be provided to you. So जब आप cost की बात करें, it is again very reasonable. That would just cost you 4,000 Canadian dollars approximately for an academic year without the meal plan. अगर आप अपना meal cook करते हैं, as I told you, आपके जो IELTS requirement है वो है 6.5 overall, no less than 5.5 in one module, which is again very flexible, as many students, they have 5.5 in one module. So don't you worry, you can apply for King's University. And the documents which would be requiring is passport, IELTS TRF, 12th mark sheet result, and 10th mark sheet. So these are the basic these are the basic when you talk about application fees. So we have $140 Canadian dollars application fees for the King's University, and of course you can take the help of Northwest Immigration. They can help you in applying your offer letter, and you will get your offer letter within a week. So these are the this was the whole description about the King's University, and I am open for all kind of questions and doubts which you have. So yes, we can go ahead with the questions.
So one question was, where is this university based? How many campuses are there?
So it is based in the main city, which is Edmonton, and it is the only campus. It is the only main campus. We do not have any other campus.
And uh, is studying in Edmonton will provide any few chances of good PR? That was another question which come up.
Definitely, definitely. So when you talk about permanent residency, it is very easy as compared to the other provinces. Students, you can, according to your profile, you can go on the CIC websites as well. You can check out there. Alberta has the easiest PR as compared to the other provinces. So if you want easy PR, go with the degree and go to Alberta. You'll definitely have a great career. And when you talk about jobs as well, the job possibility is also very good, part-time, be it part-time or the full-time. So you're going to the main city, so whenever you go to the main city, you do not face much problem.
Uh, One of the student has overall 65% marks, but mathematics he has less than 50 marks. Would you be able to accept that student?
Yes, definitely. We just need the aggregate of 60%, and if he fulfills the IELTS requirement, the student is eligible for the King's University.
And uh, there's another question which says my IELTS requirement is 6 bands, 5.5 in one module. Can I apply to King's University?
Sorry, we require 6.5 overall, no less than 5.5. Then only the student will be eligible for the King's University.
Any scholarships available? Need
Yes,
based?
of course, definitely. Very good question. The scholarships are available. Any student who have scored 80% and above will be eligible for the scholarship of 2,000 Canadian dollars. And any student who has scored 90% and above will be eligible for the scholarship of 3,000 Canadian dollars.
I think these are some of the questions which came up. There might be some more questions which may come up, and we can continue with the question answers later on. But yes, all the question answers, these were the question answers. And there's another question: if the student has 7.5 bands, but overall percentage is 60%, can I apply for any other scholarship other than the merit-based scholarship?
No, there is the scholarship just on the basis of, the percentage. So, yeah.
And do you accept any other scores other than IELTS, like Pearson test of English or Duolingo?
Yes, definitely. We are accepting PTE 59. We are accepting Duolingo 110. We are accepting TOEFL as well 88 and minimum 21 in each section. So these are the English test requirements apart from IELTS which we are accepting.
That's all the questions. If you want to add anything else, you may please add.
So this was all about the King's University. So this was the, great in-depth discussion about the King's University. So students, of course, if you are looking for a good quality education and with the PR point of view, permanent residency prospects, and with the good job prospects, then of course, King's University is a one-stop solution for all those things. So you can definitely apply for King's University. We are open for Jan intake, and you can visit Northwest Immigration. They can definitely help you and guide you with the King's University admission.
Thank you very much. So that will conclude the end of the Facebook live session. If you have any other question, please do post on our Facebook page, Northwest Immigration and Education Consultancy. Also, you can contact us. Our phone number is 80543 80542, and we're based in Jalandhar. Our address is first floor, Vassal Tower, opposite President Hotel, Police Line Roads, Jalandhar, and pin code is 144001. And you can send us our documents application.northwest@gmail.com. We are open with social distancing, so if there is any questions, just let us know. Thank you very much, ma'am, for today's session.
Thank you so much, Mr. Arvind, for giving me this platform so that we can be in direct touch with the students.
Thank you very much. Have a nice time.